And his name, like his real name, is Garfield Hatch. His real name on paper. He's part of our family later. And I'm gonna find my cat. Oh, it's gonna be a problem. Wish I would find a cat stealing motherfucker. Steal my cat. Excuse my language. Excuse my language. You know daddy curse sometimes. Excuse my language. Didn't mean to curse. But there's gonna be some problems if somebody took my cat. Man, I need posters for my cat, Billy. Real shit, man. He ain't came back, bro. Garfield ain't came, been about 7 days, bro. You know he don't be gone that long. Man, bro, I ain't seen that cat, bro. And it's cold, dick. Man, who got my fucking cat, man? I'll fuck somebody up about my cat, bro. I swear to God, bro. I want my cat, bro. I'm on a hunt today. Man's hurt, bro. I'm hurt, bro. That's my cat, dog. Man, we take that cat to the vet. We name that cat, everything, bro.
I rode up the street yesterday looking for him. I said,
man, that cat done been in jail twice, man.
Man, that's what I'm telling. That's what I was telling her. She told me, man.
He got Garfield? Garfield was across the street? Man, I know them people ain't kidnapped my fucking thing, had them cross the street, bro. In that fucking house. Oh, I gotta say something about that.
Where you was?
Man, bro, I'm finna go check them people, man. I ain't letting that ride, man.
Where you was?
Garfield! Who had him, the neighbors?
He was under the other house, like the one to the right of there.
He's
been fighting the cats all the time.
Garfield! Oh my fucking God! Where you been at, bro? You been across the street, what the fuck?
That nigga got babies, man.
I told you.
You want some food, baby?
I told
That
you.
nigga bad as a bitch.
Man, Garfield back, man.
Eating and cutting.
Where the fuck you been at across the street?
Smell him. You gotta smell him. He smell good. They have to have him in the house.
They probably had him in the house, bro.
He smell good to have him in the house.
Garfield. I'm sorry. Yes!
Fuck yeah!
Yeah! Woo! Woo! What the fuck Garfield was doing over there, man? Man, Garfield back, bro. Man. Man, they had. I'm going to tell them about that, man. Man, I'm going to tell them about that. Bro, he warm, bro. He's warm. He wasn't outside, man. He's warm. They had him in that fucking house, man.